guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe for 30 days of Indonesia, and this is day 8 of fasting month for the Muslim, which I am sharing traditional Indonesian recipes for 28 to 29 days as long as the fasting month lasted, because the majority of Indonesia are Muslim, and whenever they break their fast, they will break it with their awesome traditional sweets. So I am sharing the recipe for you. Even though I'm not in Indonesia, I still would like to promote Indonesia once in a while. It's sunny behind me, yes, but as you can see at that corner, maybe you may be able to see or not, those are snow. We had snow last night, so we woke up to white areas, white car, white ground and everything, but now it's sunny, everything's melted, so yee! We can go outside soon. Anyways, for today's recipe, it is called Kue Lumpur, which means mud cake. It's a traditional mud cake, and the main ingredients is potato. Check it out. Place 150-gram cubed potato into a bowl, cover with plastic, and poke some holes, and we're gonna microwave it until tender. So this take about 3.5 minutes microwave. Oops. Steaming there. And we're gonna mash it with vegan margarine. 125 grams of vegan margarine. Just gonna mash it until totally mixed, mashed. Now we're gonna add in 250 grams of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna add 1 can of coconut milk. I heated or microwaved my coconut milk for 1 minute because mine was what is it called? Chilled in the fridge overnight, and the thicker part floated and hardened on the top, and I want to mix it nicely, so I microwave it. Forgive the background, we are watching Fantastic Four. You just want to mix it with whisk until smooth batter. And don't forget vanilla essence. Makes everything awesome. So added a pinch of salt. So if you think your batter is a bit too thick, just add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut milk or water. Now rest the batter for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now we're gonna make the cake. Just drop about 1 ladle to each of the pan cavities. And when you see it starting, the side is starting to change in color, you want to drop raisins. Cake's ready.